the leading company of specially equipped vehicles with the best technology in Korea. Lift axle, air suspension, specially equipped vehicles. The company sharing the limitless values. Born again as eco-friendly car company for the sustainable future. Korea Triaxle. Pursuing the perfect customer satisfaction with the best technology. Korea Triaxle. Korea Triaxle is the manufacturing company specialized in lift axles for medium and large-sized trucks. Moreover, medium and large-size specially equipped vehicles, air suspension, cargo box for dump trucks, exient light cargo box, 1-ton small-size long-body truck, and offer Hyundai commercial truck and bus maintenance service and ZF service. Korea Triaxle is a company specialized in specially equipped transportation vehicles. Growing up as the only total solution company of special equipped vehicle industry in Korea. Optimization of mass production and assembly lines. Systematic management by our quality checklist. 0% faulty product production rate by using robotic welding. Service to heartily impress our precious customers. Realization of true customer satisfaction through constant research and development led us to become the best company in lift axle industry. Korea Triaxle. Recently, we do our best to jump into the eco-friendly vehicle company by implementing vast researching projects to develop small-size electric commercial vehicles and eco-friendly cars. Established in 2004, we did our best to develop innovative technology. NICE Excellent Technology Evaluation Certificate in 2018. InnoBiz that developed small-sized electric trucks equipped with EMS. Korea Triaxle. Technology leading the future and fast and precise service enable us to offer the best value to our precious customers. From Korea to the world, we will lead the future of global specially equipped vehicles industry as Korea's best specially equipped vehicles company.